children, we have learned quite a new stuffs in addition process. So shall we do a quick recap of whatever we have learned till now? So what all we learned? We learned additional facts, then we learned counting by beads, we learned counting using fingers, and we also learned how to count by drawing the pictures and counting them with the numbers. Right. So now I will be giving you few exercise questions and you will be doing along with me and finding the answers. Shall we do a quick recap? Okay, fine. So now the very first question which I will give you is this. Now 2 plus 3 will be what? I will give you 3 answers. You need to select the correct answer for this. Okay. So shall we do the counting using the finger method? Okay. What you will do? You will keep 2 in one hand and 3 in another hand. So what is the total here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is the correct answer, children? It is number 5. So I will put a tick on number 5. Okay. Fine. So the next question which I will give you is 1 plus 5. So now 1 plus 5 will give me what answer? You need to find and tell me. Now what will I do? I need to give 5 in one hand and 1 in another hand. Shall I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So my answer is 6. Very good. So the next question which comes here is 3 plus 4 is equals to what? You need to find and tell me the answer. So what you will do? You will keep 3 in one hand and 4 in another hand. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is my answer? My answer is 7. Fine. So let us come to the next question, which is 7 plus 2 is equals to what? So what I need to do, children, here? I need to keep 7 fingers in together, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and add 2 extra. So 8 and 9. So how many fingers I have? The answer for this question is 9. Very good. The next question which comes here is 4 plus 4 is equals to what? So here comes your answer. What you need to do, children? You need to have 4 in one hand and 4 in another hand. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is my answer? My answer is 8. The next question, 6 plus 3 is equals to what? So you need to again find out the answer for this question. So what we need to do? We need to keep 6 fingers in the hand. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and add how many? 3. So 7, 8, 9. So what is my answer? The answer is 9. So was it useful for you, children? It was very easy, right?